Right now I'm inside the shop and you can see these are all the decoration items that have been sold over here. So these are a new thing that I have seen this year. Good morning internet. It is around 11:30 in the afternoon and few days left for Christmas, and this time I am taking you all to the Christmas market, that main Christmas market where the Christmas trees and all the decorations of the Christmas trees are sold. So currently I am near New Market. New Market is just few 200 meters walk from here, and I have found a particular shop where there is a huge collection of Christmas items. And you can see the Santa Claus over there. It is moving, and you can hear the music of the Santa Claus. So hello and welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another new Christmas special vlog. It is 5th of December, more 20 days left for Christmas. Just check out what are the items that are available before Christmas time in this new market. There are many shops in this area, but still this is one of the shops that I have found more attractive, just opposite to the new market. So now let's go inside and check out what are the items that have been sold over here. Right now I'm inside the shop and you can see these are all the decoration items that have been sold over here. These are all to decorate the Christmas tree. These are the huge balls for the huge trees. These are small Santa Clauses over here. These are the stars over here. And these are small gifts that you may decorate. These are some small models, snow houses with Santa Claus and Christmas tree. And these are all the Halloween out items that are being sold also in this store. Small stars. These are a new thing that I have seen this year. The houses, small houses, all for the decoration of the Christmas trees. And here is the Christmas tree, as I told you. This is a 6 feet tall Christmas tree there. The Christmas tree there behind me is 6 feet tall, and there are Christmas tree available more than this height. So, sorry for this, I have to hide this one. That Christmas tree is 6 feet, and here you can get more height Christmas tree if you come here. And these are all the decoration stars all around. Have a 360-degree view. Full shop filled with decoration items of Christmas, or you can decorate your house using these decorative items that have been sold in this shop. These are the Santa Claus caps that have been also sold over here. These are small boxes. In these boxes there are different decoration items that comes. So the price of the tree ranges around 750 to 1300. This caps ranges from 20 above, depending on the quality of the cap. And these are all ranges. These balls the stars, this bells ranges from 100 and above. You have to come here and get to know the actual rate of these items. And reindeers, ये reindeer का कितना का आता है?
ये रेंडियर तो 2000 का लाइट वाला.
अच्छा, ये राइट चलेगा. Santa Claus big bells also. Many Christmas items also. Small Santa Claus over there. So hope you had an idea of the decoration items that have been sold over here. Christmas decoration items that have been sold over here this year. And this is the place where you can get everything at one place in this new market zone. So this was all, and you had an idea of the price this year. So you will get to know the exact price when you visit this area, because you will get everything in this Christmas market at New Market Zone. So I just came out of the shop. That is the shop over here. I will leave the description of the shop in my description. You can come by contacting the number given in the description. So this was the shop, and here in this lane there are different shops, and behind me also there are different Christmas items shops that are being sold over here. Christmas trees, bells, different decorative items of Christmas that are being sold. And behind me, that is the new market area you saw before. That is the new market area at the starting of the video, and this is this lane. There are many Christmas shops, Christmas tree shops that are being and Christmas decoration items shops that are being sitting during Christmas time at this lane. So I will give you a more 1 to 2 shops overview from outside. There is another shop over here. You can see bells. And here is the shop inside, just like the other shops. And again, these are all the decoration items you can decorate your house during Christmas time. This lane you can see another shop is coming. Here are also huge Christmas trees over here. Small stars, small circles. These are all decoration stuffs. And here's the shop full of Christmas decoration items, just like the other shop you saw. So to come to this place, you have to come to New Market, and after New Market, there is a huge Ciladas shop over here, just opposite to the fire brigade area. This is the Ciladas. In this lane, you will get all the Christmas items available. So this was all for this video. I hope you had an idea what are the varieties that are being available during this Christmas 2020. So if you like this video for whatsoever reason, please do give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel at the end. Till then, bye bye.